Today I'm going to show you the best folding commuter e-bikes and perfect for everyday use. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ACTBEST Mars Foldable Electric Bike for Adults. ACTBEST Mars Foldable Electric Bike for Adults Peak 1200W Motor 20-inch Fat Tire Step-Through Folding a Bike with 48V 13.5 AH 648WH Removable Battery 80 miles 7-speed 28 mph Adult Electric Bicycle. Price, $499. Key features. 1200W Peak Motor. Powerful brushless motor reaches 20 plus mph and climbs slopes up to 30 degrees with ease. 48V 13.5 AH removable battery. 648WH battery delivers up to 65 miles in electric mode or 80 miles with pedal assist, with 4 to 6 hour charging. Foldable design, folds to a compact 36 inches by 29 inches for easy storage in cars, apartments, RVs, or public transit. All-terrain comfort, 20-inch by 3.0-inch fat tires, dual front suspension, shock-absorbing seat, and adjustable stem provide a smooth ride. Utility ready, front and rear cargo racks support a total payload of up to 400 pounds, making it ideal for commuting and errands. Smart features. LCD display, 7-speed drivetrain, 3 riding modes, bright headlight, and brake light for enhanced control and safety. Pros, foldable design, long battery range, high payload capacity, and versatile all-terrain performance. Cons, top speed is limited to 20 plus mph. Final thought, a practical and feature-packed folding e-bike that combines portability, long range, and cargo carrying capability for daily commuting and weekend adventures. Number 2. Roadvo 20 by 4.0 Fat Tire Electric Bike for Adults Commute. Roadvo 20 by 4.0 Fat Tire Electric Bike for Adults Commute. 48V/13 a removable battery UL certified foldable 50 miles 20 mph 1500W peak motor, dual disc brakes, LCD 7-speed and suspension. Price, $699. Bike type, electric bike. Key features, 1500W peak motor. High-torque brushless motor reaches up to 20 miles per hour with 3 riding modes and a 7-speed drivetrain for versatile performance. 48V13 a removable battery. Delivers up to 50 plus miles with pedal assist or 25 miles in sports mode, with 5 to 6 hour charging. Foldable design, compact folding frame weighs 77 pounds and supports riders up to 330 pounds, making storage and transport easy. All-terrain comfort, 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, front fork and seat suspension, and dual disc brakes provide a smooth, stable ride on mixed terrain. Pros, foldable design, powerful motor, fat tires, dual suspension, and comprehensive safety features. Cons. Top speed is limited to 20 miles per hour. Final thought, a versatile folding fat tire e-bike that offers strong performance, everyday practicality, and dependable comfort for commuting and recreational riding. Number 3. GOKEEP 1300W Electric Bike for Adults. GOKEEP 1300W Electric Bike for Adults, UL 2849 certified 28 miles per hour 75 miles PAS range, 52V13 a removable battery, front suspension, foldable, 7-speed commuter e-bike, max 330 pounds. Price, $599.99. Frame type, folding. Key features, 1300W peak motor. Powerful motor climbs 26 degrees inclines with ease and features a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain for smooth shifting. 52V13 a removable battery. Delivers up to 75 miles with pedal assist or 35 miles in electric mode, with 5-hour charging and UL 2849 certification. Foldable step-through design, easy to mount, fold, transport, and store, with an adjustable seat for personalized comfort. Comfort and stability, front suspension and a cushioned saddle provide a smoother ride over rough roads. All-terrain safety, 20-inch by 3.0-inch fat tires, dual disc brakes, bright LED headlight, and tail light ensure confident riding in various conditions. Easy setup, 95% pre-assembled with a 1-year warranty, 24/7 customer support, and a 30-day return policy. Pros, powerful motor, long-range 52V battery, foldable step-through frame, and comfortable ride. Cons: brake system is mechanical rather than hydraulic. Final thought: a practical folding commuter e-bike that combines solid power, long range, and everyday convenience for city riding and weekend adventures. Number 4. GOKEEP 1800W Foldable Electric Bike for Adults. GOKEEP 1800W Foldable Electric Bike for Adults, UL 2849 certified, 30 miles per hour, 86 miles PAS range, 52V 18.2 A removable lithium battery, front suspension, 7-speed commuter e-bike, max 330 pounds, price, $699.99, brand, GOKEEP. Key features: 1800W peak motor, 750W rated brushless motor, reaches up to 30 miles per hour and conquers 30 degrees inclines with ease. 52V 18.2 A removable battery. Delivers up to 86 miles with pedal assist or 43 miles in electric mode, with 7 to 8 hour charging. Fast folding design, folds in just 3 seconds for easy storage in apartments, offices, cars, or public transit. All-terrain performance, 20-inch by 3.0-inch fat tires, IPX4 water resistance, and a durable high-carbon steel frame provide stability on various terrains. Heavy-duty build, supports riders and cargo up to 330 pounds, making it ideal for commuting and utility use. Reliable support. 95% pre-assembled, UL 2849 certified, backed by a 1-year warranty, 24/7 customer support, and a 30-day return policy. Pros: powerful 30 miles per hour motor, long-range battery, quick folding design, and high 330 pounds payload capacity. Cons: suspension system is not specified. Final thought: a powerful, long-range folding e-bike that combines speed, portability, and durability, making it an excellent choice for commuters and adventure riders alike. Number 5. Wildway Folding Electric Bike for Adults. Wildway Folding Electric Bike for Adults with 750W motor, 32Ah battery, long range, FW11 A bike, 20 by 3.0 Wildway fat tire foldable adults electric bicycle for men, women, city commuter delivery, 2-seat, price, $799, bike type, electric bike. Key features: 750W motor and long range. Powerful 48V 750W motor reaches up to 28 miles per hour with a range of 60 miles in electric mode or 90 miles with pedal assist. 32Ah high-capacity battery. Built-in battery provides extended riding range for commuting and outdoor adventures. Comfortable all-terrain ride, front suspension fork, saddle suspension, and 20-inch by 3.0-inch fat tires handle snow, sand, mud, and rough roads with ease. Smart controls, full-color LCD display, thumb throttle, 7-speed drivetrain, and a built-in USB charging port for added convenience. Enhanced safety. Front and rear disc brakes, bright LED headlight, brake light, and spoke reflectors improve visibility and stopping power. Pros: long battery range, foldable design, full-color display, and excellent all-terrain capability. Cons: built-in battery cannot be removed for separate charging. Final thought: a long-range folding e-bike that combines strong performance, all-terrain versatility, and practical commuting features in a portable package. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.